Protect your valuables with this secure and durable drop safe. Solid steel construction, anti-phishing baffles, and multiple user access make it a reliable choice for retail businesses. Easy installation and positive customer feedback add to its value. Keep your cash, checks, and small valuables secure with this Barska Compact Drop Safe. This safe is designed to protect against both robbery and internal theft, with solid steel construction and anti-phishing baffles. It features a front-load drop box, allowing deposits to be made even while the door is locked. With the ability to store 2 unique PIN codes, multiple authorized users can easily access the safe. The safe comes with pre-drilled holes and mounting hardware for easy installation, making it ideal for hotels, gas stations, motels, restaurants, or any retail business. Final recommendation. Based on its features, benefits, and positive customer feedback, this Barska Compact Drop Safe is highly recommended for businesses in need of a reliable and secure storage solution. Its easy installation, temporary lockout mode, and included accessories make it a valuable asset for any retail business. Invest in this drop safe to effectively protect your valuable assets and deter unauthorized access.